Welcome back to Spy Garage.
An ambitious and possibly revolutionary fusion of custom luxury, long-distance travel, and vehicle grandeur is represented by the projected 2026 SLRV Limousine Motorhome. This hypothetical car, which was developed for high-end recreational vehicles, combines the luxurious features of a limousine with the reliable operation of a specially designed RV chassis. The design philosophy probably places a high value on roominess, high-end materials, and cutting-edge technology integration in order to satisfy a discriminating customer looking for unmatched comfort and luxury when traveling. The 2026 SLRV Limousine Motorhome's exterior design is probably going to be distinguished by streamlined, long lines that both represent its limousine heritage and allude to the spacious living space inside. To ensure stable and reasonably efficient long-distance travel, aerodynamic considerations would be quietly included, albeit secondary to the emphasis on internal volume and visual effect. An expansive sense of interior openness and structural integrity may be enhanced by the use of premium composite materials and panoramic windows. Thoughtfully planned external storage options and discreetly integrated servicing access points would preserve the car's elegant look while guaranteeing usefulness. The interior design of the 2026 SLRV Limousine Motorhome would go beyond traditional motorhome designs, adopting a more flowing and integrated spatial arrangement evocative of a private jet or upscale condominium. Anticipate opulent features like custom ambient lighting systems that may create a range of moods, soft leather upholstery adorning generously scaled chairs, and handcrafted cabinetry using exotic veneers. Separate areas for formal eating, casual relaxation, and private sleeping would be carefully marked out to guarantee comfort for everyone. Throughout the living areas, entertainment systems with cutting-edge audiovisual technology and seamless connectivity would be effortlessly incorporated. The 2026 SLRV Limousine Motorhome would include equally cutting-edge technology. Climate control, power distribution, security features, and communication networks would probably be managed by a complex car management system, which would be accessed through user-friendly interfaces. Safety and usability would be given top priority in advanced driver assistance technologies, such as improved navigation, adaptive cruise control, and extensive camera arrays. Additionally, features that support prolonged off-grid life, like large fresh and gray water capacities, high-capacity battery banks, and integrated solar power generation, would highlight the vehicle's potential for independent and opulent travel. Such a vehicle's power plant would require a sturdy and dependable foundation that could easily propel its significant mass across great distances. The required power and torque would probably be supplied by a high-performance diesel engine, maybe in conjunction with a cutting-edge transmission system. A comfortable and seamless ride over a variety of terrains would be guaranteed by an air suspension system with ride height adjustment. The vehicle's intended function as a mobile haven of unwavering luxury would be reflected in the chassis' outstanding stability and durability. To sum up, the 2026 SLRV Limousine Motorhome offers an intriguing outlook on the direction of upscale leisure travel. It would serve a niche market looking for an unmatched combination of mobile luxury and long-distance travel capabilities by skillfully fusing the luxurious design language of a limousine with the independence of a high-end motorhome.